This big old bandsaw will make a good cutting head for my bandsaw mill. Pretty heavy duty cast iron wheels, and as soon as we extract it from my friend's shed here, I'll take it home and begin the disassembly of it. So this thing stands about 6.5 foot tall, and I'm going to have to do some modifications on it to open up the area for cutting the timber with, but that's common when you use one of these for a bandsaw mill. The wheels on this measure about 20.5 inches in diameter, and in behind the wheels you can see adjustments to adjust all the different directions to make this thing run correctly, keep the bend on the wheels correctly, and hopefully if I don't mess with any of that, I won't have to worry about too much adjustments as far as that's concerned. The blade on this bandsaw right now is pretty thin. It's probably, I don't know, 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch wide. So a lot lighter duty than what I would want to use on it. So I'm going to try to use something that's 1.25 inches, 1.5 on it. The width of the wheels is about 1 1/8 inches. The shafts on this bandsaw are 1.5 inches, so they're pretty good size. I shouldn't have any issues with the wider bandsaw blades. I've seen other people on YouTube that use these things for their bandsaws, and they work really, really well. They just they're basically already set up. A lot of the work is already done for you. So spending a little money on this seems like a logical thing to do.